Are you guys like me and tired of trying to force your kids to eat broccoli? Are you feeling frustrated and ready to throw your hands up in the air on trying to grow broccoli in your garden? I'm going to tell you why I will probably never buy heads of broccoli from the store again or even try to grow it out in my garden. If this is you, you better watch this video. Welcome to Living Life Barefoot. Alright guys, let's talk about broccoli. So we all know broccoli's healthy for you, right? It's got vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, it's got fiber, it's got cancer fighting properties. It's healthy for us, we know that. So the frustrating part of broccoli is probably trying to force your kids to eat it. I mean, who really likes broccoli? I mean, I kind of do, but who really likes broccoli? I know trying to get my kids to eat broccoli is not so fun. I also know that over the years of trying to grow broccoli in my garden and trying to fight the pests, the disease, the environmental issues, the weather, all the things, waiting on the whole growing season of broccoli to really get nada. And what you do get, trying to get your family to eat it. I mean, let's be real. Buying vegetables from the store in today's world, I mean, let's be real. Who knows what's on your vegetables or who's touched it, or even by the time you get it home, is there even any nutrients left in it? Now, I want to feed my family healthy foods. I want to get broccoli in their bodies. I'm going to show you a better way to grow broccoli and a better way to get your family to eat it. All right, are you guys ready for it? Are you ready for my secret? I present to you, dun, 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 broccoli microgreens. Let's just admire their beauty real quick. They're so awesome. Do you know about microgreens? Let me tell you a little bit about them. Microgreens are actually up to 40 times more nutrient dense than the adult vegetable. It's a freaking no-brainer. The nutritional value in microgreens are completely mind-blowing. So since they're so packed with nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, the anti-cancer fighting properties, all the stuff that our body needs, and all the stuff that you desperately probably want to get your family to eat, you can get from just a handful of broccoli microgreens versus trying to eat a whole head of lettuce or trying to force your family to eat it. And let's talk about growing it. You don't have to wait a whole entire growing season trying to fight all the pests, the diseases, the outdoor environment, all the things, to not even knowing if you're gonna get a harvest at the end of the season. You can grow these babies and know that you're gonna get a harvest every 7 days. This only takes 7 days, and you get a freaking superfood. It is a no-brainer. And you can grow them year-round. You can have fresh broccoli, you know who's touched it, you know who's grown it, you know what's been put on it, you know that you're giving your family the ultimate best food, nutrients, everything right here in this 10 by 10 tray that you can grow indoors, right on your kitchen counter, wherever you have the space. You can grow these and feel at ease about growing broccoli again and trying to get your family to eat it. So let me make it a little bit easier for you. I'll be right back. My friends, we put together a microgreen grow kit. You can grow microgreens easy, simple, everything's here. Let me show you. First, obviously, you have this cute little canvas bag, and inside we have it all. We have trays, we have Lola. We have dirt. I also put together an instructional booklet, so there shouldn't be any questions. It's all here, right in this book. Tells you everything you need to know. It also gives you access to 4 videos that walk you through the entire process of planting, growing, caring for, and harvesting your microgreens, if you need a visual like I usually do. We put together a card, so it's just a quick reference guide. You can just check, make sure you're reading it right side up, not upside down. But you can just reference this throughout the entire growing process so you know what you're doing, you can stay on track. And the most important part, you got your broccoli seeds pre-measured for this size tray so that you can take this, and this, and you can grow this. Oh yeah, I also forgot. You get a cute little logo sticker, because who doesn't like cute logo stickers? But in all seriousness, if you're like me and growing food is important to you and your family, and providing your family with nutrient-dense food, real whole foods, guys, check it out, barefootmicrogreens.com. We have everything you need to start growing your broccoli microgreens so that you can be happy about growing broccoli again. You can be happy about trying to get your kids to eat broccoli. Know that they're getting all the good stuff right here. You should do it. It's a no-brainer. Come on, let's go shove some broccoli microgreens in my kids' mouths and see what they think. Okay, here's some harvested broccoli. Oh, boys! Open your mouth.
I don't. No.
Open your mouth. Oh, see? He wants more. Now I don't have any.
You want one?
All right, guys, there you have it. If you're tired of fighting with your kids trying to get them to eat broccoli, or you're tired of trying to grow it in the garden, grow microgreens indoors right on your kitchen counter, have a harvest every 7 to 10 days, feed your family nutrient-dense food. They'll love it. You'll love it. Everybody's happy. Check it out, barefootmicrogreens.com. All right, leave in the comments what your thoughts are, and make sure to
like and subscribe to the videos.
Yeah!
catch you guys on the next video.